Hartley Noble have sent in their kit. Come along and join me for the ride. Using the rubber bungs, you put one either side of the needle tool, which means that your needle tool is self-supported and you can now have one hand free when you're using it on the wheel. I use a little pottery tool and pull some shapes through a slab of clay to make my foot ring, or you can alternatively pipe them on, whatever's your preferred option. After using the pin tool guide to actually trim off the depth of your dish, I'll then use it using the measurement as a guide to keep them all consistent, and I'll tilt my pin tool upwards until it touches the clay, so not to cut into it, just to mark it. I'll score, slip and add my cut clay strip. Using my fingers and a little bit of water, I can then, with the wheel turning, smooth my rim of the foot. Finally stamping my maker's mark and leaving to dry before removing from the mould. Love the consistency of the foot ring on all the pieces.